Ahoy, YouTube! My name is Alex, and I'm Cindy the Shipwreck Pirate. And today, I've got an unboxing from ComicTom. Haven't done one of these in a while, so stick around and maybe a little bit of story. Yeah. Ahoy, YouTube! Alright, let's just cut to it. Got a ComicTom 101 mystery mail call. It's been a few months since I've done one of these. I moved this last month, so I've been pretty busy. Needless to say, I moved across town, and it's taken a lot out of me. But yeah. I got this going for us. Alright, nothing else in there. Alright. Oh, right off the bat, this is really cool. Oh, that's cool. Let me show you guys. This is the first thing that I see right on top. Oh, hold on. Let me grab that. It's a Reggie Collects Spider Reggie card. That's awesome. I love that. That is cool. Wow. That's awesome. That's really cool. Got a, looks like a Moon Knight print. This has the April mystery mail call information. Looks like something is killing the children, and a couple of exclusives, and a big key. So let's see what we got here. Oh, some of them are this way, some of them are that way. Alright, let's start with this one though. Whoa, what is that? Scout Comics, Night of the Cadillacs. Huh. That's cool. Interesting art. Wow, that's cool. Alright, next up is an art print. And it looks like it's the Far Sector character. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not a huge DC person, but it looks like Far Sector. Yeah, get that flipped over and the knees flipped over. There we go. Alright, here we go. What's this one? Iron Man 275. The Dragon Seed. That's cool. We got the looks like the Virgin promotion Peach Momoko. Awesome. What else we get? We got another one of the exclusives, black and white. And then last but not least, wow, that one's really cool. It's like an Alice in Wonderland themed. Let me where I put that card. Yeah, those are exclusives. I'll have to look and see what they are. Oh, Alice Ever After #1. Wow, that's cool. Nice. That's awesome. I love that art. And as a bonus, I want to show off a haul I got this week. It's kind of cool. It's something you don't see every day. I found Simpsons number 99. I had to pick it up. It's hilarious. Let's party like it's issue 99. Woohoo! In your face, issue 98. Yeah, it brings back the member berries, you know, from the old 99. It's hilarious. I love it. And then to go with that, I found Simpsons number 100, and she's thick. and yeah, it's a big issue. But yeah, found them. It's pretty cool to find them together. It's something I don't see very often out in the wild, so I had to pick it up. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen this. It's Batman number 457. This is the first appearance of Tim Drake in costume, I believe. But this is the direct edition error printing. I'll put a picture up to show you guys. Another really cool book that I picked up this week is Incredible Hulk number 377. This is the first appearance of Professor Hulk. Beautiful book. Very, very nice. And then going back a little bit, I know this is probably a little late, but it's a Morbius book. This is the Fear, Man Called Morbius, the Living Vampire. This is his first solo series right here. It's a very clean copy. Had to pick that up. This one is pretty awesome, given all the news about Disney and all the controversy in comics. But this is Air Pirate Funnies. Mickey Mouse meets the Air Pirates, and he's smuggling something over here. It's kind of funny. If you take a look, it's a pretty dope comic, and for what it is, it's published from Hell Comics. I don't know if it'll zoom in right there, but yeah, very cool. It's a very nice copy. I'm very happy to have it in my collection, even though it is a spoof. And then last but not least, I did pick up 2 slabs this month from my friend on YouTube, BurkFam54. He had an auction, a claim sale, and I picked up a couple of slabs from him. And here's the first one. It is Amazing Spider-Man number 50. This is the Mike Mayhew variant. It's a beautiful Gwen cover. Love it. Beautiful book. And then also, I picked up Venom number 35, the Clayton Crane variant. Just a beautiful book. I love how Clayton Crane does that. He is incredible with his colors. It's just awesome. Love it. The Venoms in his shoulders. It's just awesome. So cool. But yeah. Tell me what you think in the comments. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments too. If you're new, hit the subscribe and definitely hit that like button. Thanks and cheers.